Hello everyone, I'm Mishka Christie, registered pharmacist here in Jamaica and the MBC here in MBCRX. Now this video is going to be part 2 to the 2-part how to use asthma devices video, and in this video we're going to be looking at the rarer inhalers that come about when you're talking about asthma. We'll be looking at the Handihaler, the Aerolizer, the Respimat and the Autohaler. Now I don't realize the desk is empty this time. I'm sorry, but I couldn't get the dummy practice devices for you guys this time. Trust me, I've tried. I've sent out so many emails, so many unanswered emails. Anyway, but yeah, I didn't get any this week, so you're just gonna have to rely on the animations I did just to get an idea. Now before you go on, remember, wash your hands before using these or any health device. Alright, I think you guys are ready for the video now, so let's get to it.
Let's get started with the Handihaler. It consists of the mouthpiece, the dust cap, the center chamber, the base, and a piercing button. Now this is how we use it. Open the dust cap by pressing on the green piercing button and pull the cap upwards, exposing the mouthpiece. Then open the mouthpiece by pulling the mouthpiece ridge upwards, revealing the center chamber. Separate one blister from the pack, and remember to only open one capsule a day immediately before use, okay? And it's important that you never swallow the capsule. It's not to be swallowed. You're going to insert the capsule into the center chamber of the device, close the mouthpiece firmly until you hear a click, hold the Handihaler device upwards, press the green piercing button until it is right against the base, or press it as far as it can go. Do not press the button, however, more than once. What you're going to do now is breathe out completely away from the Handihaler. Then you want to hold the Handihaler horizontally by the base and close your lips tightly around the mouthpiece. Breathe in slowly and deeply. You should hear or feel the capsule rattling or vibrating in the center chamber. Inhale until your lungs are full. Remove the mouthpiece from your mouth and hold your breath as long as it's comfortable for you. Exhale and then resume normal breathing. To make sure that you get the full dose, repeat steps 5 to 8. Do not press the green button again. After finishing your dose, discard the capsule into a wastebasket. Never touch the used capsule. Then close the Handihaler. Another fancy inhaler is the Aerolizer. It consists of the mouthpiece, the circulating chamber, the air inlet, the cover, and a piercing button. For this one, you want to pull the cover and open the mouthpiece by twisting it in the direction of the arrow. Remove a capsule from the blister immediately before use. Do not swallow the capsule, rather place the capsule in the chamber and twist the mouthpiece to close. You will hear a click when it's closed completely. Holding the device upwards, press the 2 piercing buttons simultaneously one time and release them. Inhale a comfortable breath, hold a few seconds, then exhale fully away from the device. Place the mouthpiece in your mouth, past your front teeth with the blue buttons on the sides. Tilt your head back slightly and inhale quickly and deeply. You should hear a whirring noise or rattling noise and experience a sweet taste in your mouth. Hold your breath as long as comfortable and then exhale. Do not exhale into the Aerolizer. Repeat steps 4 to 6 for how many doses your doctor prescribes. Then remove the empty capsule and replace the cover. Now onto the Respimat. If you ever come across this one, you know the struggles. There's a little more to this one. It's not your average inhaler. It consists of the mouthpiece, the cap, the air vent, the dose release button, the safety catch, the dose indicator, and the clear base with a piercing element inside. So to prepare this device for the first time use, with the cap closed, you want to press the safety catch while pulling off the clear base. You want to write the discard by date on the label of the Respimat inhaler, and that date would be 3 months after the cartridge is inserted into the inhaler. Take the Respimat cartridge out of the box, push the narrow end of the cartridge into the inhaler. The base of the cartridge will not sit flush with the inhaler, but a little bit of it, about 1/8 of an inch, will remain outside of the cartridge when it's correctly inserted. Put the clear base back into place. Now, priming for the Respimat. You want to hold the inhaler upright with the cap closed. Turn the clear base in the direction of the black arrows on the label until it clicks. This should be half a turn. Flip the cap until it snaps fully open. Point the Respimat away from your face and press the dose release button, then close the cap. You want to repeat all these steps for about 3 or 4 more times just to make sure the inhaler is properly primed and ready for use. How to use the Respimat. Hold the inhaler upright with the cap closed. Turn the clear base in the direction of the black arrows on the label until it clicks. Flip the cap open until it snaps fully open. Breathe out slowly and fully, and then close your lips around the end of the mouthpiece without covering the air vents. While taking in a slow deep breath through your mouth, press the dose release button and continue to breathe in slowly for as long as comfortable. Repeat those steps until you get the full dose. Close the cap until you are ready to use your inhaler again. The last fancy inhaler we're going to look at today is the Autohaler. Now, I've never really seen any of these in Jamaica, to be honest, but we're looking at it anyway. It consists of a mouthpiece, a cover, an air vent, and a lever. Now on to the use of the Autohaler. First, we want to prime it. So we want to remove the mouthpiece from the Autohaler. Then we want to raise the lever, turn it upside down, and then push that white lever that is on the bottom of the Autohaler. When finished, return to the upright position and lower the lever. For regular use, hold the inhaler upright, raise the top lever until it snaps into place. Hold the inhaler around the middle and then shake several times. You want to exhale fully, then seal the lips tightly around the mouthpiece past the front teeth. Inhale deeply through the mouthpiece with steady, moderate force until the lungs are full. Hold the breath for about 10 seconds, then remove the inhaler from your mouth and exhale. Lower the lever and then replace the mouth cover.